cold rain was beating down that day, pounding a steady rhythm like a drum on me as I walked into work. Even through the welcoming warmth of the History Center, I could feel something was a little different. Even Uncle Sam's unchanging stare seemed to have a new meaning today. I've got a secret I've been told I have to keep, and I intend to keep it, that stare said. I opened my office door and found a surprise waiting for me, a plain white envelope holding a single sheet of paper. I wondered what it could mean. The letter was short and sweet like a Hershey's kiss. A new year, but the game hasn't changed. I'll match $10,000 dollar for dollar. Get the community engaged. Save the smokehouse. A friend. The Stoppel Smokehouse. So that's what this is all about. First step in our restoration plan, and the mystery donor is already on the case. That kind of cheddar could do a lot of good around here. Well, game on, donor. Game on.